back from the dead.
Welcome back, dear friends and followers. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a pixel heart using Arduino. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get right into it. First of all, you will need an Arduino for the brain of your heart. I know lovers do not use their brain when they fall in love, but anyways, we need a brain for your heart. That sounds ironical. And second thing you will need is of course some pixel. Here I am using normal WS12D pixels, some jumper wires, and at last you will need a sheet of cardboard. Here what we found. So before moving further, these steps are important to make your pixel heart work. First, click on that red button and on that bell icon. Now draw a heart on a piece of paper and cut it. It will look like this. Now paste that heart on cardboard and cut that heart shape on cardboard. Now make some holes for pixel. Here I am making 25 holes as I am creating pixel grid of 5 into 5. Here you can see I have placed all pixels. Now to secure them in place I am using hot glue. You can use any alternative like fabric stick. Now cut a strip of cardboard to make the boundary of heart. This is the sample sequence of pixel to test how heart is looking. Now here I am using some trace paper to give a good look to my heart. You can paste trace paper with the help of some transparent tape. This is how it will look after placing trace paper. So next step is to display some text on your pixel heart. You can do that with the help of a software called VIXEN. If you want to know how you can connect your pixels to your software that is called VIXEN, you can easily get it by clicking here. Here will be a I button where I have explained everything how you can connect your pixel heart to your VIXEN software. So here are some results of these pixel hearts.